Welcome back, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I made $200 trading ES as an unprofitable trader. Let's get into it. So the first thing I did was mark all my liquidity in my high time frame gaps, and I actually noticed that we hit a 1 hour gap. We hit a 1 hour gap and we started getting our equilibrium, and right now it is 840. We hit our equilibrium, and at the time, I'm not gonna lie, there was a gap right here, or at least I thought there was a gap, but my trading view was just tweaking. So then we come all the way up here, and I'm like, all right, NASDAQ, what's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ, there's actually a SMT from, I think, here to here, when ES had its liquidity sweep here. So there's an SMT which ES is leading. So then I scale down to the 1 minute, and pretty much what I'm looking for right now is I just want to get a break above these highs, and I'd enter, because I got my equilibrium. There's 1 minute gaps right here, there's a 1 minute gap right here that I can mark out that we're going off of. And yeah, so pretty much I just sat here, waited for a break of that high, and there's that high. I longed, stop loss down here, long stop loss down there, TP here, go back to the 1 hour. I'm not gonna lie, I was targeting all the way up here. Seems a little crazy, but you know, just got to sometimes. So we sit and draw down a little bit, and we actually form a 5 minute gap here that I didn't notice, but yeah, we formed it. And realistically, I should have took my trade on this candle, but again, like I said, I took my trade right here because I thought there was a gap here, but there just wasn't. My trading view was just messed up, but that's fine. You know, we go a little bit, both my partials got hit, I go break even, and I think I get tagged out here. Yeah, then I get tagged out and I make 200 on the day, and I think it goes up. Yeah, goes up. Just wanted a little retracement. I mean, dang, if I would have went break even, I could have made some money on today, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's how I made 200 bucks as a unprofitable trader trading ES. Peace.